I've done the airbag module, cleaned all the wires, cleaned all this, got the sensor there. Now, I cleaned that. All the wires looks fine. That hasn't been pulled in at all. Use a air pressure with a blower, clean all the shit out, and put that stuff in it. The side airbags. I cleaned all that. Checked the wire. Squirt the stuff in that one too. That's the side airbag. You know you shouldn't have seat covers really on this. Now I've done research, you should not have seat covers. If the airbag pops out, yeah. Anyway, that's got to rip anyway. That's going to be why they got it like that, maybe. That will just pop out and rip all that. Maybe. Anyway, another thing, I need to fix my bloody thingy bob again. Okay, squirt all the liquid in there. That's only from the seat adjustments. But better just clean it all up. Okay, it's time we put it back in the car. Then put the battery leads back in. Use my scan tool and hope that's cleared. If I clear this section and the lights still be on, I just had to check the wires on that side and the seatbelt buckle on that side too. Yeah. I did blow it with a air pressure gun. Yeah, see it looks broken there. Yeah, didn't see anything pop out. See, it's more about me taking the seat out, tip it upside down like the driver's side, in case the plastic thing's inside of it. Yeah. Oh. Make sure your wires did not squash with the seat. Okay. Then I put the seat back in and bolt them up. Plug all the wires up. The airbag's still lighting up. Got to replace these. Oh shit. Just checking this. get out of there. And I'll start from the scratch. Okay. It's 2002. WH Statesman. SRS. Click on that. So it's not clear, I need a new telephone. Better turn my ignition on. You must have your power on. Okay, let's read code. Okay. Still got the same problem. The two seat belt buckles. These things. An accelerator sensor. That's the one next to the seat. Okay. Let's go to clear errors. Now I need to push this button here. And it stays on. And what I do is, can't see. Go back that one. See, if everything was fixed, I would not have nothing on this section here. Yeah. Okay, I've done my best. I cleaned the wires, everything. It's time to replace them parts. That's when the airbag will turn off. If I have a car smash, this car is insured. If the airbag light is turned on, I lose all my money. $5,500 for this car. That's why I need to fix it if anything happens. If you like this video, put thumbs up, comment, whatever you want to do. Bye.